Hello, this is Tech Republic and I am Adil. Looks, I know many of you are tired of seeing the plain, boring desktop of Windows 10. Being a clean freak and an aesthetic nerd, I also fall in the same category. Well, you don't need to shift from Windows. Yeah, who would though? Because luckily we can customize it as we want. One thing to note, every step is very important, so don't skip the video unless you want to mess up your desktop. Okay, without any further ado, let's dive in. Before doing anything, download this file. The link is given in the description below. Extract the raw file, open the folder. Install the softwares first. Rainmeter first. Do exactly as I do to avoid any confusions. Now let's install the Nexus dock. Again, follow these steps. Once both are done, first thing you would want to do is to remove these lame skins. Right click and press unload to remove any skin. Let's change the wallpaper to this one. After this, we need to install the required skins. Install everyone except the Leno visualizer. We will install it later. Set this to the default media player you are using. In my case, it's Windows Media Player. Close the settings and we will remove all the useless skins. Move this to the center. Next step is to configure the dock. Go to Appearance tab. Select Dock Transparency. Make the dock totally transparent. Now change the icon size to 37 pixels and set the icon reflections to 0. Okay, let's open the effects tab. We don't want any cheesy retro effects, so set all the effects to none. Now select the position tab and select the screen position to the bottom and offset the dock by 26 pixels. Offsets means how far the dock is from the taskbar. Now let's give it some sweet touches. Right click on the Rainmeter from the taskbar and select date, time and weather. This should appear. Drag it to the bottom right. Again do the same and open the UI white and select date, time. Drag it to the top left. The next step is to set up the visualizer. Go back to the directory where the theme file is. Install the Leno visualizer. Close the settings window, remove the skins. Bring the visualizer to the center. Right click it and open the settings, general settings. Set the bar width to 7 pixels, bar gap to 21 pixels, bar count to 69 pixels and sensitivity to 35. Go to the media player tab and select whatever media player you are using. Mine is Windows Media Player. Adjust the position again. Looks cool, right? Next step is to hide the taskbar. Right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar setting. Make sure the first 4 boxes are checked. Next step is to change the dock icons. Honestly, the ones which are already here are very boring and ugly. Let's change them all, shall we? Right click on each of them and remove them. I will leave the last so the dock won't exist itself. You can add whatever icon you want. Drag the icon to the dock. Now let's change the icons. Right click and select dock entry properties. Click change icon. Open the theme directory folder, open ultralight icon. Go to 64 by 64 and simply just drag whatever icon you want to replace it with. Repeat the same for all. Okay, our work is pretty much done, just some final touches. Right click on the media player controller and open settings. Change the color to this warm pinkish one. Okay, now this part is little tricky. It might seem a little scary, but trust me, it's not difficult as it seems. In fact, it's very easy. Just follow what exactly I do. Right click and go to edit settings. This notepad with source code will appear. We just want time, so we'll remove the rest. You can see in these square brackets, measure date is written. As we only want time, so we will remove the rest of the text. Highlight it till here and remove it. Again, do the same. Just leave the time text and remove the rest. Only these two shall be remaining. Press Ctrl S to save. Right click on the skin and select refresh skins. See, it looks way better now. Oh, I forgot. Go back to the edit settings, change font size to 35. Save it and refresh the skin. We will do the same with this one too. Right click, go to edit setting. We just need to remove the time as we already have it. Scroll down to the very bottom and select this text. Delete it. Press Ctrl S to save. Right click and refresh the skin. Before you leave, I have something to say. First of all, I might change the channel name due to some domain issues, so in the next video the name of the channel might be something else. I haven't come up with any other name yet, but you can suggest me one in the comments. Other than this, I am trying my best to grow this channel, but it's impossible without your help. So do subscribe, hit the like and bell icon. It will be massively appreciated. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Till the next video, stay safe, Godspeed and goodbye.